Well, I'm loaded up and fired up because today's video is going to be an insane one, guys. The Rimshaw boys are back in town. I'm on the dad cam. We've got Keith, Sam, Dylan, Frick. I don't even know who else is down here from the States or up here from the States. I don't know what you guys want to call it. It's time to head to Revelstoke. Today's going to get gnarly. What's up, Moose? You getting all jacked on pre or what? Or you need me to go in the truck and get you a money?
You ain't doing shit.
Whoa! Holy shit! Holy shit, dude! Holy shit! Look at that thing! Look at that thing! Holy smokes, dude! That was not what I was expecting this morning.
It's so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over facts over.
Start of a busy day here in Revelstoke. We have an insane crew, but to kick it off, I'm going to go in and get my Trail Pass card yearly membership. Got the BCSF membership and the Revelstoke Snowmobile Club membership. Pretty important for myself to be able to support the local club. They're letting us access the backcountry via their trail network. So yeah, if you guys haven't yet, stop in, grab a trail membership from the Revelstoke Snowmobile Club and get up into the mountains.
You, he's legit. Are those a sellable product yet?
They are.
Wow.
Available on the Caliber website.
Yeah, those things are super cool.
For when you really need to rally up the bush road, that thing is rigid. We have an absolute menace of a crew today. There's way too many people to list in this little segment. We're going to catch up to them up on the mountain. The Rimshaw boys are in town. They're hungry to burn some gas, and we're headed into the back. Stay tuned for a damn good time. All right, we're stopped here at the trailhead. Like I said earlier on the ride up, we have an all-star packed crew here. An entire group of Polarises today. This is going to be insane. Hey, you're missing your snowmobile, dude. 5 minutes of Keith being in front of me and he dove off into the trees. And here we are. We're on. Baby. Woo! Yeah, Tom. you guys can hear it or not, but I made some changes to my clutching and damn am I loving it. Top of the world, baby. I brought the boys up to the top of the world. Now I'm going to take them back down to the basement. They want to go find some trees and pillows, so here we go, drop it in. Yeah, buddy. I'm gonna just like pop that roller underneath of that cliff there real nice. See what I can do. Whoa! Should we go to the back?
I'm going in the back.
Hit it from the backside. Oh, she liked that. Yeah. Yeah, Sammy. We did try and work a jump in right there off of that rock bluff over to this landing, but the trajectory just wasn't working. And right now, I do not want to get the shovel out because it is so epic right now. I see a nice little goalpost drop. The sun's starting to like poke through on it into a nice shaded pocket in the landing. She'll go.
She'll go.
We're in the Hollywood Bowl here in Turtle and just lined up a nice looking drop. Very casual drop for like a mid-season ride, but considering it's December 2nd, this one's looking pretty nice. We're just gonna go over this way and have a quick little peek. Looks like it's right through this little hallway right here.
Did he just say, I'm just gonna see this little... What's that? He's like, I'm just gonna check out this little drop.
Now the long walk back to the sled. Control the heart rate. It's pretty inspiring when it looks that good though.
How'd that feel?
Felt good. Did you see me grab the tree with my skis and it kind of like sent me into a whip? It was awesome. We're gathering the posse. Look at them all down there like a bunch of ants. We're about to push to the back here, get out of these tracks, and go head into the unknown. Got Mr. Peyoto in the background here. We're at the top of Turtle. We got Sam and Keith and Boss Hog Carter down there. We're about to drop in. We're actually in the same zone that I brought this sled into for the first ride the other day. Just dropping into it a little bit of a different aspect of it. Pretty fun that we have this backcountry here in BC to play in. So many different access ways, different ways to ride it. Even though it's the same mountain, the weather's different, the snow's different, and we still get to enjoy the shit out of it. Well, we're in the back, and the boys have made an executive decision. They want to go and do some hard enduro. So here we go. You want to go back to the Alpine where it's easy? This is where the shit show commences. There's going to be trenches and holes and sleds everywhere. We got some of the world's best hill climb racers out here, and they want to burn some gas. None of us have a real set travel path other than keep moving. Up to Mater.
then come up and hit that little ridge there and do a little whippersnapper.
A little snow ballerina move.
Yeah.
Twirly bird.
Yeah, twirly bird, dude.
Twirly
Get
bird?
a nice pirouette. Would be nice.
Okay. All right.
You can tell that he's a racer because he just keeps on lapping it. He's like, oh, that was good, but I could do it faster.
Nice.
Oh, we stopped and gathered a shot of the boys there. Keith got a sick one. And half of the crew kept moving. So we're going to go catch up with them. Snowmobiles are incredible. Are you kidding me? How? That's all I want to know is how. Well, that looks like an up track. We're gonna go down. Incredible. And the low fuel lights on. Wow! These fucking things are incredible, aren't they?
You got the boost option on yours? Lucky.
Yeah, you couldn't tell?
What a day.
Oh my god, boys. What a day for a day. All right, we're up here today at the almost the top of Turtle.
A little warm, yeah.
Beautiful sunshine, crazy inversion, 6,723 feet. And in the hot pot today, I'm bringing some leftover lasagna that Nikki made in the crock pot. So we went from the crock pot to the hot pot, and we're about to have it up here on the mountain. How's yours doing there, Nick? What do you got on the menu?
It's like double, triple bacon, double egg sandwich.
Nice.
Looks deadly. Good crunch.
The boys are rolling in. I'm smelling some cooked cheese here on the hot pot. Push Industries just delivering the heat today. Dive in here and have a look. Open up the clasp. I think I'm gonna go full pot off of the pipe today, considering I got lasagna in there. Oh,
That looks so good.
give the lasagna review. I've had it in since we left the truck. The noodles are feeling. What?
And then they all just went back down. And I was like, fuck.
Quite on set, fuck's sakes. Noodles are hot. The moose meat burger in the middle, cooked thoroughly.
12 hours, 12 hours.
Pretty friggin' happy right now. I might even share. I know you got a Monty. You'd share for some lasagna for sure.
Yeah, I'd trade you.
Muff pot meal. I think this is probably my first essential meal that I've done. It took a lot of chooching to get that temperature all the way through. So if you guys are cooking lasagna on the pipe or on the hot pot, make sure you put it in from the start and just absolutely shred till you're dead till 12. Pull it out and you should be good to go. If you pull it out too early though, you're going to be left with a cold sandwich or a cold meal, and nobody likes that.
Or a baby.
I kind of dropped the ball. I didn't put my sandwich in at all.
You just muck it, eh?
Yeah, oh yeah.
How are we doing going from the crock pot to the hot pot?
That's a 8.
8?
Yeah.
Just a flat 8.
Yeah.
That's a solid score. Would you like some, Aaron?
So I had to save room.
Cameraman?
I'm gonna have tomorrow.
Hey, cameraman, you want some of my lunch?
Uh-huh.
Oh,
That was a good
they crack so good at elevation.
It's the little things.
Where's all your red?
I'm pretty sure we're lower than
Tight ass.
You're getting there. You're already wearing Nicky's suit, right?
Bro, you're just fucking jealous of how good I look.
Mickey's suit truck smells like Mickey.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just
Chuck
got
did
it
smell pretty good this
detailed.
morning.
Didn't it?
Yeah.
Just got it detailed.
Nice.
Won't be long, it'll smell like ass again.
Wait, you guys shower with Arbor all at home or what?
Oh.
And those chops are really adding to your attitude.
Oh my god, dude, he's just flexing on me hard. Quit flexing on me, dude. You're like that dude off Churdley's. Hey?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Get off my swan! I'm on swan duty. Oh, what was that little ballerina move at the top there? Like a little one-hander?
Steeper than it looked from here.
Yeah, that's a good one. Needed a long track. Go full cheater sled. But don't tell anybody.
That was friggin' hilarious. I'd about end out uphill. Eh? You're good? Yeah.
It looked like atrocious from here.
It did?
Yeah.
Just like all 4 lanes.
It's this new move I'm working on.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, Sam. Look at the boys working for it.
Alright, yeah, we got, this feels like a little bit of Sealy action going on right here.
Starting to feel like you're at home.
Yeah, it feels a little bit like home.
A little hard enduro.
So we're gonna, yeah, a little hard enduro. So we're gonna go up in between the rocks there in that chute. Attempt a little hop over. Oh, someone just got stuck. Flip around and come back down.
Hell yeah.
He's got 7-foot long legs. That was a do that.
Hop over. We got sleds flipping everywhere. Mike's, I don't know what Mike's doing with this snowmobile. And Keith did that sick line on that ledge, and I think maybe I can get around the backside and do the same. Oh, Mater. It is absolute chaos out here. These guys are partying. Get into the sun, do some riding, burn some gas. Hey boys! What's happening? Holy shit, dude. You guys are gnarly. time I stand my sled up, it shows low fuel. Damn, that's signs of a good day. How about the views? So sick. Man, the mountains are cool. The boys are piling in. We're gonna go catch up with them. Yes, dude. Okay, now everybody take their turns, get their photos.
Two of us are already down.
Fucking right. There used to be a bridge here at one point. There used to once was. You got a line through the creek, Grayson?
I think so. I think there's a road over there.
That wasn't so bad. Not so bad. Well, we're back at the trucks. We're hanging out on the gunmetal deck. I'm cracking a money. Little gunmetal recap of the day. Pretty adventurous. It was good times. The rim shot boys are actually still up on the mountain shredding in the dark. But overall, pretty awesome day. So sick to be out with Sam, Keith, Toby, Dylan, you know, the whole crew, the Montana Wrecking Crew. Those guys are friggin' animals in the trees. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Stay tuned to the next one. We're heading to Blue River and teeing up with the Trash Panda. We're gonna be riding with Jamie Chuck on his brand new 858.
And it's going to be Turcotte.